Common Core State Standards Math, 7th grade, Expressions and Equations 1 and 2, Algebra Point 1A, in the Graduation Standards, Properties of Operations, and this is a word problem that we're going to be looking at. And we'll pull out some of the math. So, Elena buys a sweater for $38, sunglasses for $14, jeans for $22, and a t-shirt for $16. So they want you to use mental math. And so it's hard to do this on here, but we're going to look at it here. Okay, so if we have $38, and then we have 14, and we also have 22, and we have 16. So what they want you to do is kind of group these together and so that they're compatible numbers. So we're going to use 8 and 2, so we're going to have this number here and this number here. So 38. So we're regrouping. If we're regrouping, it is the commutative property. We're switching these two numbers around. And then we know that 14 and 16 kind of go together. 14 plus 16. And I'm looking at the ones here. So this is the property of commutative. So we're switching the numbers. So it's commutative property of addition. And so if we want to group these, we get 38 and 22. Well, we can get that easily. It's 60. And then we're going to group these two. We have 10, 30. And so when we group them together, it's going to be 90. And actually, that's $90 for the total. This wasn't quite mental math, but try to get it. So it's a matter of regrouping. And so if the numbers are moving, it's commutative. And then we put the parentheses in here, so it is the associative property. And they're both of addition because you're adding. Thank you.